The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.